So, when I think about virtual commerce, at least where we are today, it's really about bringing 3D or immersive 3D experiences to a current 2D site. So, when you think about how people shop today, for the most part, you go to a website, you search, you scroll, you click, you add some products to your basket. And that works well enough. But if you think about the number of products that are in your line of sight at any given time when you're online, 8, 10, 12 products is maybe what a shopper is able to look at. And you compare that to when you're in store, where at any given time you can see hundreds or even thousands of products within your line of sight. It's that merchandising and that layout of products that really directs the shopper behavior and the shopper path through the store. And it's that shopper path through the store that leads to discovery and impulse and really that creativity behind merchandising that builds the basket. And so what we're looking to do with 3D is to create a broader experience that lends itself to some of those benefits like discovery and impulse that can build the basket. Now, when I compare 3D to different in-store strategies, I like to call it a disruptor. So there's disruptors that you'll put into the store. You'll put a display, you'll create a store within a store. They'll use a promotion or some signs. All of those things are to gain the attention of the shopper and get them to try something that they might not have normally tried. 3D is the same way, except it's applied to your website, and it's a disruptor to get shoppers to get out of the search, scroll, click and add to your basket into something that's going to open their eyes to a wider set of products. Now, I think that InContext is probably the best positioned company in the world to lead an initiative like this because we've been doing virtual store research for over a decade. So we've talked to millions of shoppers. We have tens of millions of data points, all of these things that can inform an offering and a strategy that's going to be successful for brands and retailers when they bring 3D to their online shopping experience. In terms of what makes us great, and where our focus is at the moment, there are 3 words that we are rallying around: simple, scalable, and seamless. So first of all, simple. It has to be very simple for the shopper. It has to be intuitive. It has to feel native to that current e-commerce shopping experience. Scalable. The market changes really quickly for CPG, especially product availability, prices, promotions, seasonal campaigns. Things are shifting on a pretty regular basis. And so the 3D experience has to be equally flexible for brands and retailers to be able to respond to that. And then the last piece is seamless. We are not an e-commerce platform, so to speak. We're looking to integrate with existing e-commerce tech stacks to enhance what that experience is for shoppers. And so with that in mind, we're really, really excited because we're launching our first integration with Microsoft, the Microsoft Commerce Cloud, which means that Shopper MX will be available for anyone that has their website on the Microsoft Commerce Cloud to access the Shopper MX app on their app stores there.